خوشبو ہے دو عالم می اے گلے چیدہ خوشبو ہے دو عالم میں تیری اے گلے چیدہ کس منہ سے بیاں ہو تیرے اوصاف حمیدہ. Dear viewer, today my contents about the how the voice we sounds, how we voice we stopped, and how the our cough voice difference practice on Naats and the slow voice Naats, how we used to. Today my these contents, please first of all subscribe my YouTube channels. All viewers taking to all informations about Nathwani and this learning about objective is to different voice to stop it. So how the different voice we use. First of all, subscribe and likes my YouTube channels. And today my these contents about how the voice stops, and let's do practice and one against taking to information for these subscribe and also and today my lessons about the Nathwani and تجھ کوئی آیا ہے نہ آئے گا جہاں میں تجھ سا کوئی آیا نہ آئے گا جہاں میں دیتا ہے گواہی یہ عالم کا جریدہ خوشبو ہے دو عالم میں تیری اے گلے چیدہ کس منہ سے بیاں ہوں تیرے اوصاف حمیدہ. There is different voice when you stop first of all voice to stop how and there is vowel sounds when you come to its vowel sounds how used to just like to تجھ سا کوئی آیا vowel sounds and how sounds, and there is a practice in Uvik, and other is there is stop na there is stop its voice, you stops voice and long and may And this way you can practice. And today my these contents about how the voice we used to some words Urdu Hindi stop its we nuts and this way you practice, and some voices to read nozzles and these also information about today my these contents. And this way you can write these notes and you can write, and this way you practice and your own voice. And some people used to their cough voices and so cough open voices, and there are different voices we use to consonants and vowels. First of all I revised to my first video, and you can see also these video. Please subscribe my YouTube channels, and this way you practice and practice make man perfect. And these today my learning objective, and wait for my other video. Thank for watching.